Well, some of you might know I'm a risk taker. Some of the stupid things I've done on some of my videos, and you wouldn't believe some of the other stuff in my past life. But nonetheless, here I am today doing something else that some might find kind of stupid. I'd like for your comments. Be gentle, but then you don't have to be either. I don't care. You welders out there, you might appreciate this. Now, what I'm doing is I'm trying to save $300. It's not like I really, have to have the $300, but I'm trying to save $300, okay? Now, my shank on my trailer hitch, now let's switch over to that view. By the way, I'm also testing out a new GoPro 9. Hopefully it'll improve some of my videos, but I'm hand holding this too, so my old shaky hands might not work with this thing, but we'll see. I guess it all comes down to how much you trust your welding and how much you know about metallurgy and all that stuff, which I really don't know. Started out my life as a welder though, my illustrious career before the military Marine Corps got a hold of me. And then a lot of things changed, like all of us. But nonetheless, what I did was I just tacked it here with some 6011s, and then I'm going to run some 7018s. But my little cracker box, it's a reverse polarity, but man, I'm at 140 amps and I barely got it tacked, so I'm a little worried about trying to get good penetration. I'm going to see if I can't find a buddy with a bigger machine, which I got somebody in mind. But anyway, I got to get my spacing right, which I do. I'm close. I'm not money, but I'm close to money. I'm pretty, there's enough slack in those bolts, I think, where I'll be okay. I might be a little bit on the tight side, but I think for government work, I think it's going to work. I've already fitted it on the piece, and it looks like it's fine. So, once I get it all set up and everything. So let's go check it out. I'll get back with you once I get it welded. Y'all leave your comments. Let me know what you think, if I'm lost my damn mind or what's going on. And like I say, any of you welders, hey, give me some of your expertise, man. I'm always learning. Appreciate you guys watching my video, and I'll show you the end results one way or the other. It'll either be a trailer dropped on the side of the road with a broken hitch and a truck turned over, or God knows what. Let's not go there. Or it'll be a successful hitch modification. Appreciate you guys watching my video. Adios.